Hello people, I have interesting video tutorial for you. Softimage, when you add a cluster, sometimes when you have lots of clusters, that application may give you error message. I will explain to you what will happen. Because I got a couple textures, I got a sofa. I will use a render review so you can see what's going on. Chair. Oh, and I will show you after that. I think I have already fixed that issue. But sometimes you get error message when you work with clusters. I think I was able. Oh, actually, they come up, and in a minute I wanted to explain to you. Okay, I will use the same cluster to assign couple different materials. You can see what's going on. And if this error message comes up, you can probably use one of the settings. It wouldn't, I will have to check something because I was able to bypass that error message. Okay, I will assign sofa. Don't worry, you can fix that error message. Even if you see this, I just have to check if I was able to bypass this error message, but I will assign materials all over the place. You see? But I know how to fix that, but I will double check because there is just one setting which will help you to bypass this error message and you will be able to overwrite materials. Once again, I did online research. You have to go to File, Preferences, in Rendering Options, when you go to Images, Miscellaneous, you have to select Remove the overlap from the existing clusters, remove the overlap from the selection. So I have chosen this option because of that option you will still be able to assign new materials. You can see, or I will assign once again. For example, I will try to assign on the same selection similar material. I think I will do with sofa. Don't worry, we will still have new material. It's very actually. Wait a minute. Yes, you will be able to bypass this error message. This is why I decided to publish video tutorial if you face issue with clusters. I hope you like this video tutorial. Have a nice day.